So getting in now, we've installed the first piece, the larger portion of the bumper. This bumper on the Model 3 is a two-piece, so now we've just got to install the lower section here. I've got the piece on the board. I'm just going to rinse it off. We'll install that, and we'll show you how to seam properly the kit together. So we've got a couple of seams to work with. One here. We're going to start in the corner. What you want to make sure is that we don't overlap the film onto the other film. Sometimes it's easier to wipe that top so you can see the seam where the two pieces are joining.
So why don't you want to overlap? Like say you don't want to overlap because.
So again, we're meeting at the other seam here. There's going to be a bit of stretching. This is kind of important that you remember when you're doing these things that the installation of the first piece will have a lot to do with how your second piece goes down. Again, we don't want to be overlapping because otherwise then we got to be cutting. As you can see, we're not touching. If the film touches, you can sometimes just press it back, and that will give you a nice finish. So now you got full coverage there. So now we're going to bring it over and align our other corner. work your seam first and then lay out the rest. You're going to spread those fingers using the material as much of the body as we're spreading it over, just to get those to lay down. You want to go up, get the bottom. Okay, now we can carry on and do the lower portion. Okay, and that is basically your lower second piece of your Tesla Model 3 bumper installed. We're just going to wipe this down, set the edges, and that is complete. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renoson.com. Please like and share and follow us